Hi everyone, this is Corey here. I'm back again. Continue to work on my project, the multiplication Mayhem. Last night got to the point when we was able to select our avatar for the game. This game I'm building for my daughter or any kids who are learning the multiplication table. The game itself works similar like in Fall Guys, that level when a screen pops up, an image, and you have to merge that and stand on the right platform. Here there is a multiplication. You have to stand on the right platform, otherwise you fall down, lose the game, you have to start again. But at the moment I just have the standard set little robot as a player. So I'm building all the avatar selection, which exists now. You can select different avatars, and then when you save, then it switch over to the right avatar. I have to click save. And we make it smartly with a little camera. And with the effect of the camera is kind of scrolling over to the another character. So this is fine. My only thing, the first thing what I want to change here is all the animation right now is the same. It's a very basic animation running at the moment. These kids, while I designed everything of the menu, I didn't do the characters. They are coming from a kit called Toon Kits. You can find the link down in the description. And there is a couple of restrictions or things what I'm trying to do on this project. First, I'm trying to do as much as possible using scriptable objects and events to control the game. And also, I'm trying to use ChatGPT for creating most of the code. So far, my experience is ChatGPT needs a lot of help and a lot of instructions, and for me, really detailed design things to be able to give me code which is semi-useful. But including that, it's a really nice assistant for game development. All right, I see the avatars getting quite excited, so let's jump into right away. I think I will stop this and then we go into the animator. I will create I created this animator, I think, the last time. It was just for test. I'm just grabbing a couple of idle animations for these kids. The package comes with a lot of animations for them, even bend shapes for face expressions. Okay, have to set up one more thing. Okay, moment, I just place this in. So when we need it, we can actually use, or I can use it. Okay, so this one I called Avatar Animator Controller. Okay, so what I want to do, because all of them is playing the scene animation, I want to do different entry points for each of them, and also each of them need a unique celebration animation. But I don't want to copy paste and just slightly change the animations. I want to write something what is more flexible, so one animation controller can have multiple entry points which you already would say that, oh, Corey code, that's not right because there is only one entry. But I will do a little trick there to able to create or set different animations as a start, and also we will have a couple of victory and other animations. I will add more because there is 8 kids and this is only 6, and then this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as well. So I need 2 more special. So what I will do, I organize them differently. I will put any state in the middle. I make this sorted nicer, and exit. So it will run through these animations in the order, and I actually want to change because the 1 and 2 is changed up, which was how I make this default, I wonder. You know what? Doesn't matter which one is the order, but I will later do this. Set default, that's the one. It was there in front of my eye. Why there is that? What's this? Okay. So now they are in order, but doesn't matter because each of them has a name. Okay. So what I want, I'm able to trigger any of these from any moment. Okay, and also I want to able to trigger any of the celebration animation. Okay, and then let me add. Okay, so how I will do, because the only thing what I have is a trigger, a boolean, an integer, or a float. If I make this dependent on a integer, for example, then it will keep repeating the same animation, and that's not the goal. The goal is just when I send the signal, then sets that one, but other than that is continuously playing. Okay, and for that I need 2 items. I need first idle, let's call it start idle state, which could be 0 to 6, 7, 8, and also a trigger start idle trigger. Okay, so that's a state. That I don't like the word state. Let's use just use start idle idle animation, start idle animation, and start idle trigger. Okay, and then the same way I want to do the victory one. So for that one, I also need an integer, and then I call it victory animation Oh yeah, let me just uppercase that. And then I do a victory trigger. Oh no, that should be a trigger, sorry. Let's add the trigger in. Okay. Okay, now I have to set up these. So this should be if the start idle animation 0 equals 0 and the trigger send, then go to idle 1. Okay, and then here it's a trigger and it's equals 1, and so on. So I will just do this now. And set the triggers. What did I set the numbers correctly? 3, 2, 1, 0. The next one is 4. And then 5, which is the 6th one, and equals. I may not set the equals everywhere. Greater or equals. Yeah. So because this animation don't have to do anything else, just these two things. Start its unique animation. I could write something what offsets it as well. I may not will be required. Maybe I can just use these. And then on this side, it needs a victory animation number, which is equals to, and then it needs a victory trigger. So the same idea. I have to come up with these daytime before the sit down coding. There is always a lot of thinking going on. What I will do and how. 2 and oh, not starter, it's the victory one. Victory. And this one is equals as well. And then victory animation equals it was 2, then it's 3. And then also the trigger. So I did not test this. So I'm really excited of how this will work. Equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last one. No, not selection. Victory animation equals, and then 5. I have to add 2 more, but oh, misclick. At least it's remembered the number. Okay, but I can with these ones I already can test this out because 2 characters will just start from the beginning, and the or 3 because one will be set to the beginning, and the other ones will be start differently. Okay. Now it exists, but obviously nothing sets this up. So what I have to do now, I have to add a code to do this, setting these up at start time and then victory time as well. Okay, UI builder, start menu, main menu, UI. So I will need why the camera one is not here? Camera should be here as well. Oh, whatever. Where did I put the camera one? There should be a camera controller, avatar camera, manager, and avatar camera. These ones I would like to be in the UI builder. Yeah, because that one controls the camera, which is moves around. Okay. So this one is set up. Now I need a new file, which is the avatar animation or avatar. Yes, it's okay. In the game, it will be. I call it player. Here, I call it the avatar. So avatar manager controller. Which one? Avatar manager. Avatar animation manager. Okay. And now we will ask ChatGPT to write it for us, as usual. Okay, I will not need the update. I mean, I just don't need that. We know what start is. Okay, what is the animation manager? It's need to know the animation. Okay, I need to enums. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. So I will show this later, but this is what we use, the Toon Kids. It has plenty of different variation clothings and other ones. It's really cool. This is now Unity Asset Spotlight. You can generate tons of different characters with a lot of different animations, and also these guys has one for teenagers and adults as well, so you can have a full set of characters. Oh, even babies you can, and they have some other ones like the planets and balls and the letters and numbers. Really cool one. I can recommend it. All right, so back to ChatGPT. Let's generate that code. So create me 2 enums in Unity. One called start animations. The other is called victory animations with values idle 1, idle 2. The other is called victory animations with values clap, jump. I don't remember, so I just put 2 in and then I will fill it out. I just want to know. Cool. Yeah. Okay. So I have that one. It likes to talk a lot, that's sure. So we have these 2 animations, and then I will ask it to create. I got create a file, the class. I just create a class called manager, which has a starting animation, property, public property, and victory shown property. Enums should be serialized. And what is it that does? At start. Okay, wait, I will put this in the first so I know. And in the start method, get the animation count there and set the I need to make sure. I need to check how I need start. Okay, let's call it just start animation. Start. I hope I don't have to redo the whole thing. Do I have to redo the whole thing? No. Whew, I got scared for a moment. Start animation and start trigger. And then victory trigger, right? Is there a space in it? It feels like there is a space, but there isn't one. So, yes, cool. So I do set that in. And then back to ChatGPT. Start animation and victory animation. So in the start method, get the animation controller and set the start animation. How I call this? Parameters. Yes, parameters. And send a parameter. And then send a trigger, send the parameter, send the start animation, or set the start animation, on the animation controller, and then set the animation parameter on the animation controller, and then send a trigger called start trigger. Okay. Add a new method called victory. Which sends the stored victory animation to the animation controller, and then sends. I'm not sure it will understand this. It's understand it. Wow. Avatar animation manager. Did it getting the animator? Get component animator. And it even stores it in a private function. Okay. It actually did a good job. I'm happy about that. You see that your description have to be really detailed. Okay, so start animation trigger, victory animation, victory trigger. Cool. What I need actually now, I need to be able to listen, because right now the victory will be not set. I have to listen for the event. I'm sending the event somewhere. Where is my camera? Avatar camera, because okay, I moved those. I don't need that. Don't need that. Where I moved in the UI. So avatar camera manager. So I need this, and then I need to listen to the active avatar action, because that's mean the avatar changed. And when the avatar changed, I want to play my animation, victory animation. So let's keep the start in the start. So instead of that, I just want to play the victory. I think it will complain because int ID, it's needed, but I don't care about the ID here. All right, so in theory, this should do what I want to do here, but it's always just theory, right? Okay, so let's see. So if I go here, and then let's add for all these this new script, which is the avatar animation. Okay. Oh, something not right. This too is public. Oh, okay. This is not right. Set. Oh no, set integer is right. Set integer, set trigger. Us integer. Yeah, I actually. So avatar animation manager. It's here. Components that only. Ah, yeah, okay. Now I can edit. Like I was, but I only have 2 at the moment. So let's add this idle 2, idle happy, idle 3, 4, 5. Okay. Idle 2. I will do it in a one row. Idle 2. Idle 1, idle 2, idle happy, idle 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So I have the different ones. This is just for really for me, because otherwise I just write in numbers and I don't like to put in numbers. So let's say victory, lauf, salute. Let's do victory, lauf. I can't see properly my keyboard when I do this. Salute 1, because I think there is a salute 2 and I may use that. Clap, wave, happy. Clap, wave, happy. Okay, so what can go wrong is maybe... Oh, okay, let's see. Before I say what can go wrong. A couple of things can go wrong. Okay, so let's see. Now, oh, I didn't set up anything. I didn't set them up. Okay, so all of them is idle 1 and victory. So idle 2, lauf, idle happy, salute, idle 3, clap, idle 4, wave, idle 5, and happy. So if I'm right, they will start to do different things. So okay, one of them fall down. Oh, okay, I think they are stuck. Okay, I don't know what happened with the girl B. Why is that fall down? Okay, maybe that. Okay, I will check that. The first thing first is the animation controller is not right, because all of these need to exit. Which I forgot, which makes my beautifully planned layout ruined here. So Maybe I do like that, and then it's... So these ones exit after one use. This one goes through and then goes back to the beginning. Okay, let's try that. But I don't know why the victory even got triggered. Okay, let's see. Okay. These two doing the same. Okay, let's select someone. Nothing happened. Okay, is there any error? No errors. Okay, so this doesn't seem to do anything. But still they are doing things in the same order. You can see like one move, the another. So maybe my idea was not that great of having the same going on the same section. But they actually moving differently, except those two. Some of them are the same. Okay, let me see then. So I think first I have to add another two because I only have enough animations for 6, not all the 8 characters. I have some more animations. I just have to pick some and add it to the list. Idle. Okay. Idle 1, idle 2, idle happy, idle 3, idle 4, idle 5. Okay, this 2 is idle 1 again. Okay. So let me find some. Idols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Idle afraid. Idle amazed. Idle dizzy. Idle embarrassed. That's good for one of the girl, could be, for example. Or even for one of the boy, why not? And sad. Tired. Amazed is, I use that, but it's just opening the mouse like really wide. And I don't want. So I have happy, afraid, amazed, angry. Is there anything else like actions? Cry, defeat, defeated. Grab up, laugh, salute, salute. Oh yeah, I will wanted to add in the salute too. That helps. Sneeze. Oh, talk. I could add talking. Maybe I could make adding some variation how they travel through depending on the starting animation. So I could add a couple of different paths. So it's not that obvious they are doing things one after the other. And oh, there is good. Well, there's victory 1, victory 2. Maybe I can change even the happy. Moods. These are movement poses. I like some of these poses. I could add in some places, some poses happens. Depending on for a couple of them, they have extra pose that would kind of offset. Yeah, that's one I like. That would I could offset some of these. Oh, this is good as well. I may find each of them they stop for a moment to a pose. Would be nice if do something like choose me. Different sit poses. Yeah. Okay, I may try to add this in. So, for example, if start animation equals 0, then goes this way, and then here, if start animation is not equal 0, go that way, and then after that goes there. So it just skips that or adds that, and then yeah, I have to add those one as well in. Yeah, that's kind of fine. I think that will mix it up a little bit. Some of them, the animation will be longer, shorter, so it will be less visible. So what was that? That was 5. So this is 6 equals 6. And then, oh yeah. So I can choose those ones. First I want to test this, and then I go do the victory one. So let's put that here and then here. So here, if this one, let's say, if the start animation was 2, then come this way, and here, if the start animation was not 2, then go that way, and then that comes back, and anyway plays the next one, so it's not skipping it, but it's kind of mixing it up with this. And then here, if the start animation is equals 4 and not 4. And not 4. Okay, so that would send it there and then goes back. And also I can add these ones in. And then I need, so victory trigger. Victory trigger. victory animation. It was 5. Victory animation 6 equals 6. And also there was a trigger as well. Maybe I actually could set up the... Yeah, I could set up the victory, the animation beforehand. So I will change the code there. So that was 5, 6, and then this 7 equals 7. And also there was a trigger. Excellent. Ah, I have to add these in. So embarrassed and talk. Did I spell that right? No, obviously. And talk 1. And then also here we had, I don't remember, salute 2 and victory 2. 2. Okay. And yes, one change I want to do. I may have to create a new event for it. Because the event, what I'm sending, is actually only happens when I save. And not when I click. And I want they do the victory move when you tick them. And at the moment, I don't have an event on that. So I will add the new event for the victory. Not when we saved, but when we tick. Okay. So let's see. I set up all these animations now for all the different characters. So if I open them, 2 of them is still doing the same. Oh, I didn't change it. I have to actually select idle, no embarrassed, and talk victory 2. So if I now run it, then they all start with different animations, and some of them even have those poses. Okay. Now this 2 is again acting the same. I'm curious if they will diverge after, because we add in that little difference. Yeah, but they do different things. And in theory, when I save, if I tick someone and I save, we're not seeing it because I have to get another event in. Okay. So let's see why girl A and B, they have different animation. Maybe something connected wrongly. So why they diverged? Yes, I'm not necessarily want to talk because you can't hear anything. Maybe it will be idle happy instead of that. No, okay, they diverged. But there's some reason starting the same. Okay, let me add the another event so we can start to look on the victory one. Oops. As well. Okay, so another event. Let's use the same avatar action. Let's add the new event. Tick action. Static action. I don't need anything, just on avatar tick. Okay, ticked. On avatar ticked. And then if I go back to the start menu and let's invoke, but not that will save. When select is somewhere here, yeah. So I want this. Just instead of that one, invoking that one, we will do the tick. So on avatar, we do that, and it's don't need any variables. Cool. And then on here, we will rather subscribe to these, and then we don't need that anyway. So when I tick, it will. Oh, the events are really good. That was so much easier than I thought, so it will be. Okay. Now if I run it, it's loaded the last selected. You see? But all of them did it. I wonder only that one celebrates who I select. Okay, all of them. Why all of them? Okay, I need probably an ID on it. And then it compares if its own ID. But at the moment, the avatar has the ID. I think. Oh no, only the cameras has the ID. So the avatars have to know their own ID. And then they can tell, like, okay, I am selected, I'm celebrating. Because right now I'm just sending the event, but all of them would get triggered. So I have to change that back by adding a integer, which will be the ID on them. And then if I go back to the manager, I just restore, not that, but we have an ID. And then I also need an ID set. So maybe I can set it here. Then it's easy. Then I think I will just put it here. I could pull it from the scriptable object. But right now, these ones are not generated from the scriptable object. Of int avatar ID. Okay, and then if the avatar ID is not null and avatar ID equals ID, only then celebrate. Okay, and now I have to set up all the avatar IDs. Oops, something wrong. Well, what did I do? Oh yeah. I do. When I invoke this, I need ID. That makes sense. Okay. Cool. All right. Okay. So now, oh, I did not set up the IDs. Right? Okay. I don't remember those IDs. It was in the it's our resource avatars. So 5, 6, 7. I think it starts from 1. Yes. Okay, it starts from 1. So these ones are 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, the girls are 1. Sorry, 1. The girl start with the girls. 3 and 4. Because I did not generate this from the scriptable objects. While I will do that on the main game, I have to manually set this up. All right, so let's see. And then I a little bit fine tune it, and then it's fine. All right. So, yes. Okay, there is something wrong with that one. Yeah. My daughter will love this. This is not doing much, so I want to change this one and that one. Clapping, yeah. Not doing much. Which is that one? 8. Is it salute 2? That's not really doing much. Let me check actually. So idle 2, no, lauf, that's when it's false. So I want to change this. And then there is the boy, which was the third boy, that's 7. Yes, that's salute 2. Animation equals victory trigger. Yeah, let's change that one. Because that one is was not that good. What's this? Tell off. I can't really tell what is it really doing. Talk, 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 sneeze. That would be funny. Scream. It's not just on your screen weird. Something is with Unity. Some reason it's sometimes when you turn, it's like doing that. I see that now many times. Okay. I'm hiding from the camera because I kind of go down on the chair a lot. Grab down. Okay. Defeat. That's not really crouch. Catch throw. What is that doing? Catching a ball, I think. Okay. The sneeze was funny. I think the sneeze, I like the sneeze. So instead of salute 2, I would take that out. I put in the sneeze. I could look for another one, even a Maximo or something, but I think this will be fine. So now, and I think, yes, I need one more because the love didn't work. And then I have to set up the victory. On this one. Victory animation, let's say 6, and then equals 6. And then the victory trigger happened. Okay. Oh yeah, I wanted to do one line change. No, not on this, on the manager. The set integer, we can do that beforehand because that's not changing. We don't need to every time when you select set that out. But I can set that up here. The victory, and then we just trigger it. All right. Let's see. So one of them I fixed. But I think I still have a problem with the girl, the girl number 2. And then some layout problems as well I want to fix. Okay. Yes, I want to take out the talk. This looks a little bit silly. Okay, so she goes down. Okay, so that's the girl B. Oh, actually the happy. Okay. That's waves. Oh, made a hapsi. Did I put to the... That's weird. Should do the happy. Oh no, that's girl C. Salute 2. And clap. I may put it in the wrong place. Yeah. He's still not doing anything. Okay. Boy C. Clap. Okay, I have to rethink. I may... So this is 1, then 2. Okay, let's fix the girl who's going down. Yes, that one. When I tick. All right. That one is... 0. That's 1. When we equal 1, then set trigger idle 2. But idle 2... Oh no, if I click, so the love. I don't. This one is not right. We've maybe I can do just a jump in place. Break. It's falling. 3, 4. Jump. push, run. Sometimes this thing is closing. Oh, you can't really see because me trying to add it higher up. Run, jump, run, turn. Oh, maybe I could do a turn. Is there a... I could do... because I said in position, wait. What if I do the turn? Yes, twice. So if I run it twice, then instead of the laugh, I can do it spinning around. Okay, let's try that. I may have to do run, no, just turn. Turn, so I need the transition to be victory. Oh, the animation is 1. That's 0, that's 1. And equals, and then trigger. And then I have to make sure this one actually runs twice. How I do that? Fixed duration. I know I can. Okay. I need more space for this. But this one is already... Oh no. Let's reset that because I'm setting the wrong thing. Transition, fixed duration, exit time, has exit time, and then 1.5. But why? Oh, I'm changing the wrong one. Not this one. I have to change this one. And I should... And now it should turn twice, so it should face us again. Hopefully. So if I click, she still moves down. She's the second. Oh no. I messed this up. No, actually it's correct. 1, wave. 2, idle 5. Oh, this is idle 5. And then happy. So instead of happy, okay, it's not happy anymore. Unfortunately, I'm not. That's... Okay, I'll keep changing the wrong one because the girls, they are in different order here. And that's... I messed that up. Okay, let's see. Let me reorganize them because this makes my brain twisted. This is in the wrong order. or not necessarily the wrong order, but not in the order where I would prefer. So I don't want my brain have to jump through loops just to track 1 is 5 and so on. Because I'm trying to filter out which one works, which one not at the moment. After that, I may change and I make them more appropriate for their character to do stuff. One, two, three, four, five, six. 7, 8. Seven. Because that's the reason I none of them was doing what I expected they would do. Because I add them in the wrong ordering. All right. now it should be more consistent, and another one should actually jump down, and then I will easily find it. So, okay. And then, that's the turning. The turning not working. The clap works, wave works, and now he's doing it. Which is that animation? Yeah, that's cool. I like that one. So there is one when they are like, maybe that's the embarrassed. I have to check. Okay, so she do the jumping. No. But that jump, okay, that turn not working. She doesn't, looks like doing anything. She jump, yeah, that's one fine. So girl A, the idle, and the victory is fine. That's the victory. B, which is not lauf anymore, this is the spin. Okay, so I put back the lauf because I think the spin is not working. I don't think I have set up. Okay. Girl B. If we add in root motion. Okay, if I add in root motion for her because she's spinning there. That's May will help. So if I select her. Yes, but she ended up the wrong direction. She doesn't do anything. So that's the third one. Salute. It should do the salute. Clap. Yeah, that doesn't look like happens anything. He waves. He falls down. Sneezes. He celebrates as well. Okay. Okay, I don't want the talking and that embarrassing. That's actually not working too well. Oh, what happened with her? And she's not reacting right away. That's a settings actually. Yeah, this turning around is a problem. What I could do when I do the turnaround, when I exit, I'm not doing that, but instead of, wait. That may help. Okay, sneeze was funny. And then the boy's B was falling down, which is the happy. So this one is not working. Maybe I have to add in root animations or something. But instead of that, I will try to do a jump. Let's do a jump. Jump and land. Okay. Oh, wait. So jump. Okay, so again, the same business. Would be so nice if I could just attach to that so I don't have to redo it. Oh, wait. Whatever. I probably could just change it, but then I'm afraid the naming would be messed up. So this was 4. So this one is Victory 5. And then I want it to land. So these ones go down. And then this one, oh yeah, and that victory trigger. And it's equals. Right, so hopefully we fixed the falling down issue. It's good because I'm familiarizing myself with these. Yes, this the embarrassed. I'm not sure about that. Maybe that's good for one of them feel like that. One of them is shy. Okay, now the spinning around. Is that worked? No, that's not 180. That's not 180. That looks like just 2/3 of the turn. Like 240 or something like that. But that's fine. She's still not doing anything. She claps. He waves. He floats a little bit. Oh. He's doing a sneeze. And he victory. Okay, so this girl not doing anything. She's turning not to the right direction. Okay, let me add the third one in. I'm really surprised on that. Huh? And then the girl 3, girl C, should salute. One. 3 equals to victory trigger, victory animation. What this should do? Yeah, this. Oh, just that. That's kind of fine. Is there a better one? There was a salute 2. What that's doing? Oh, salute 2 is better. Okay. Just I probably remove this one. So where is the salute? Salute. Okay. Where is the salute 2? I prefer that. Okay, and then that's 2. So victory animation equals 2. And then the trigger. All right, so that's good. And then I have to replace the talk and embarrassed one as a starting point because. Okay, so she didn't do anything. She jumps. She's not doing anything. Oh, but that worked. Just not right away. I think I have to set it. It's doing it right away. I still have a feeling it's not. She's not doing a full circle. Yeah, something else going on there. Okay, and now you. Nothing. Clapping. Still nothing. Wave. Float. My daughter will love this. She will play around with this for hours. Yes, that's not exact. Okay. I think I know what I will do. There is the idle. One have to come after the another. This one is. It's not playing. That's weird. Okay, B. Yeah, I know what's going on. So let's have only 2 of these. And it should be it should start right after, not how I do that. You see, it's a full. I want it to 2. Okay. Transaction duration. Yeah. No exit time. Okay, so that's once. Oh. So if I turn that, then that's probably fixed one of the issue. I can't. And then I don't think I need. Okay. And then on this one as well, it should be 0. And then on this one, it should be 0. So it spins around properly. I think the animations anyway are aligned, so that should be fine. So you know. Okay. Why I should only have one. Let me see that. So here, and then turn, and then has exit time, and then if I multiply that with 2, then it should go twice, and I don't have that. No, nothing is interrupting. Okay. It's some fine tuning like that. So once was correct, and then it stops. She's still not doing anything. She claps. These are fine. Think. Okay. Girl C. 0 or 0, 1, 2, right? That's triggering number 2, which is victory animation 2, victory trigger, and this one is this. So why this one is not get triggered? Ah, this has exit time. Yeah, so if I have exit time, then maybe that will be okay. These are the fine-tuning parts. It's like, again, just one and a bit. Okay, and this one, not doing anything. She claps, waves, floats, sneezes, celebrates. Do a half and then a bit. Okay, I will check again and I don't know that one why not doing anything at all. Is there ID somewhere? Something wrong. Okay, let me see again. 1, 2, 3. So that TK girl C, and if I check on the scriptable objects, no, in the resources, the avatars, girl 1, I didn't put in the prefabs, looks like 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I didn't put in the prefabs because these prefabs actually will be different. That's for the front, the play area. So it's not these, not exactly these prefabs. So I don't know why that one not playing. Interesting. And I don't know the spinning. Why is that not? So it has exit time. That's the amount. But that's not right. Okay. So how long is this animation? Let's pull it up. C. And then C. Oh, wait. Let me check one thing. Is the animator controller properly set? Yeah, looks like. So if I select her, select the salute. Anim compression or rotation. Speed 1. I really need to know the length of this. So the length of it is all of them the same? No, that's idle. I want the salute. Open this in the animation controller. Oh yeah, maybe here. Yes, so 123 as well. 41 frames. What's this? Length 1.6, right? Okay. Oh yeah, wait. What about this one? 0.8. Okay. That helps. So has exit time. Uh, 0.8 was so 1.6. That should be 2 full turns. Um, why the idle? I'm not trying to change the idle. I'm okay. Okay, then. So I want it right away to start turning, which part was fine. Oh, this should be 1.6. The exit time. Okay, and fixed. And then that one should be 0. Let me see. Almost. Almost. Okay, I just have to change. Okay, I think I now understand that part of. should be 0, 0. So it should play the whole animations before it goes anywhere and not try to mix with another one. Still interrupts it. Yeah, I'm doing something wrong there. Okay, I will double check this. I don't want to. I didn't use this way. Fixed duration, exit time 1.6. So the idle goes there and then spins around. But that's all transit. No exit time, so anytime we can exit. I think I have to change all of these or most of these like that. So yeah, some of them are set. Oh, maybe that's why this girl was not doing the third one, because it was the exit time was set. The other ones don't have that. Yeah, I may accidentally found one of the error. Okay. Let's see again. Okay, so if I select the avatar, but then it's interrupted. Claps, jumps. And then she's still not doing anything. This serves me why that not working properly. So we go into the spin. We play it for I could speed it up, but then it will look stupid. So I'm coming in here, no interruption, and then I have exit time, it's 1.6, fixed duration. Transition duration is independent of state length. Okay. Maybe is the exit time, is it in time, or this have to be like 2? Like it's a times, how many times it's plays, or is that the length in seconds? I'm not sure of that. Oh no, it just had to set that to 2. Cool. So we have that. We have done. We don't have that, but I definitely remember we used to have that. Okay, so only this one is what not working. Okay. I want to change it because this is... Oh yes, I want to maybe change the talk and the other one, but it was Salute 2. Oh, and this one, we changed that too. Oh, sneeze. That's the sneeze. Sneeze. And then I want to change this to, because that's not really that good than I expected. And then I don't know why that one is misbehaving. Maybe I just place it again in as a new element. So if I delete this and then I go for wait, I want to check this. Either 3, either 3, either 5. So amazed was, but idle happy I already have. Okay, I will try in the idle amazed. I just prepare it there for instead of the talk. Oh wait. I never did the... Okay, then let's... I think I did not connect this up properly earlier. Animation equals 7. And then let's set the trigger. Not victory, the start trigger. Okay, and then I need one for the salute one. Back salute 2 I liked, but salute 1 is just... which is not bad actually. But the salute 2 was more fun. Why is that different? What happened here? So that was victory 1, victory 2. Equals 2. And victory trigger. Yeah, she's not doing anything. Claps, jumps, spins, waves. Okay, I want to see the amazed one. Happy. Yes, the embarrassed thing. That's... yeah, that was the one. What oh yeah, the amazed. I don't want that. I find it. Yeah, I don't know why she's not playing the ball with the ball. There. 3 idle happy. Salute too. Okay, if I change her to love. Okay, she's still not doing it. So it's maybe not down on a mission. If I change her victory. Oh no, that it would only pull it out at start time, right? So if I change them victory and I restart, because I changed it earlier, it was pulling it out every time when. So now, oh okay, wait, stop, victory, play. She's still not doing it. Victory is the last one. They should do this one. She's doing the normal animation, but don't do the one, and I have no idea why. Avatar animator controller. Idle and love. Ah, that's B. So it's not the animation. Probably the salute 2 is fine. It's something with that character. I don't see any problem with that's the avatar ID 3. 1, 2, 3. So that would be the trigger. Because all others using the same code, and that's triggers. So maybe the avatar ID is different for that button. That could be the only thing. Okay, I can test something. So she was not reacting when I said salute. So if I change her, the number. Oops, no, he's victory. So girl C is salute. If the girl B I set to salute, then we can test out if that one is actually working. So you see the animation working. She's not working. Ah, okay. I was pulling my hair out here. So girl C, some reason not, and I have a feeling that button some reason have the wrong ID. So maybe the avatar have the wrong ID. So let me see. Girl 1, girl 2, girl 3. 3, girl 4. That's actually correct. And this is where the numbers coming. So, okay, button. What else can the button name? Girl button 1, girl button 2, girl button 3. Well, it wouldn't be. Then the mapping. Yeah, but the mapping using that. So in the start menu, I have the mapping to map this to the button. And then it gives back the avatar ID by the name of the button name. So if I pull up the UI builder, I'll keep saving in the meantime. So if I pull up the UI builder, the names have to be Yeah, that's kind of correct. This one is the girl's 3 button. That's the correct name, and in the asset girl but it wouldn't even highlighted if this is wrong. So it's weird, but let's do then avatar animation manager. So when I get code victory, let's debug it. ID avatar ID. Maybe it's set up. Oh wait, I actually wanted that inside of the. Oh no, let's do it outside so I see when it's runs through the whole thing. It will create a bunch of them, but still better than I miss one of that message. Okay, so clear. So if I select her, 1, 1 and 1. Okay, clear. So it's 3, and there is no 3. Oh, there is the 3. So okay, so I see it. Then animator is maybe null, because that's the another only reason would not get triggered if the animator is null. Okay, it's probably that. Accidentally I deleted or something. It's there. I don't know why this one is different. Oh, there is a play animation. Walk. Is that all of them has that? I definitely don't need these. Okay, that's kind of that comes with the package probably, and I definitely don't need that. No, she's not doing anything. Okay, I have run out of ideas today. I will think of that too, but I want to move forward, and I come back to that. There was one more thing what I wanted to fix on this page, and then technically this page is done. Yeah, she's broken. So it set the victory animation, and then you know what? I open on that one the animation controller, which is related to that prefab, okay, so that one, and okay, let me put this now here so I can see what's going on. So that one, and then if I click, she was sent there. Oh, the victory trigger is connected to the wrong side. Okay, I found it. I think I found. I said that today many times, but I think I found it. So, okay, let's check all of them then. Set start trigger, start trigger, start trigger. No, this is victory trigger. Oh, that was like, at least took me half an hour to find that one. And this is victory animation. This should be start animation 5 equals. Okay, there is a couple of mess here. Let's check again. Start animation start trigger equals. Start animation start trigger equals. Start animation start trigger equals. Start animations equals. All right. Start animation should be 4. This is all completely messed up. Start animation start trigger 5. Trigger 6. 7. Okay. Now she's doing what? She spins. She jumps. She claps. He waves. He floats. Okay. I only just, because he floats, I want to check if I turn on the root motion, that's actually helps on that situation or not. Hey boy, that's the only one. And then I want to, this label, I have to generate this label because it don't have hover state. Let's see if that one, or maybe he falls out from the screen or something. I don't want. Yeah. Okay. Let's keep him floating rather than that. So maybe I have to just speed that up. Other than that, I'm happy with it. It does that. Or maybe I could do the salute, just bowing down instead of the jumping. Ah, but it's fun. Doing something fun. Okay. Good. Then yes, the button. So this one highlights, these ones highlight. these ones highlight and event change. But these two doing nothing. Even that one doing nothing. Okay, let me check why. So I will now go back to the editor, the UI builder. Settings. So not the settings, I wanted to open the UI editor. So what I have here, I have these two buttons. Cancel button, which has the texture. That's definitely not the texture. Or shouldn't be. And also I have the cancel button. I only have one I don't have any of the other ones. Hover and so okay. And then the save button. Save button has all the three of them. So cancel button should have cancel button. Hover. And we should have a cancel button. Focused. Focus. 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 Cancel button focus. I just want to put that next to it. And I don't think I have the fast for them. So this button, I have the save button. Is that a... Okay, let me check, because those shouldn't be textures. They should be sprite. I think I changed them to sprite. I saved on that because I had the new button. Okay, let me see all those files. The illustration start menu. Okay, so I have the save button. It's a sprite. Why? But do I have the cancel button? Oh, okay, I don't have the rest of the cancel button. So let's jump over to Affinity, where I created most of this. Yeah, I didn't do. Okay. Let's duplicate twice, and then let's set it hover, and then focused. Okay, I have to check how I did those. So that's the normal. Okay. So there is a 6-point outline on that one. That's fine. And when we hover it, I have okay, I did not do this. I don't think I did this. Okay, I can get it from the start menu, really. Okay, so there is the normal. Okay, normal is no FX. Okay, fair enough. So this one should not have any effects on them. It's not visible because I'm not showing it. So it looks like that. And then when I'm hovering it, it shows up. And then when it's focused, then I have a 16 pixels white inner shadow, inner glow. So focused. I did inner glow. (16 pixel). So it's selected technically. And then the same on this one. If I turn off that one, I want to turn off the special effect, the outline. And then on that one, I want to turn on the glow. So cool. So let me re-export all these. Can I export them at the same time? Because I really don't want to do them one by one. Selection only. No, then let's do it. Okay, I have to do it one by one. File, export. Selection only, export. And I think I have to override the one what I... Oh, that's really long folder. Very, very wrong folder. Moment, I have to find it. Maybe try at the M. Okay. So I'm in the assets folder and I have illustrations, start screen, and then here, this is the cancel button. So cancel button. Yes, I will override that. And now export. And that's the cancel button hover. And that's the cancel button. I need to drink a little bit. It's midnight. Cancel button focused. Yeah, and then the same with the save. Because I think the save ones are wrong as well. Save, 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 save. I think the hover is fine. Just the to end is not. Yes, replace. And then I just have to do this one. In theory, I don't have to do the middle one. Save focused. Okay. Good. So back to the project. Let's make sure these are the right type. Sprite, apply. That's a sprite. Sprite, sprite, sprite. Okay, so jump back here. And then let's see. Let's make just sure I have the right one set up. So save button, hover, save button focus. That's correct. And then cancel button, and then none. Oh wait. So these ones, they shouldn't be texture. They should be sprite, because I set it to sprite. Cancel button. Oh, no, that should be the save button. Save button, sprite, and then the hover. Don't know why it even works. Save, hover, and then I changed to the wrong one. Sprite. Save, focused. I have a feeling I know that sprite. Okay. And then if I do the same with the cancel button, sprite. What's the one? Cancel button. And then sprite. Cancel button. Hover. Cancel button. Focused. Okay, so if I save that, that should update all the files without me need to do anything else. So it should work, the hover and stuff. Save is permanently selected, looks like. Yes, okay, the cancel looks fine, and even if I click, that works. The save, okay. If I click on it, it works. It's just only the starting state is not right. So let me double check that if I put the right. So save. Oh yeah, it's over instead of save button. So now it should. Oh, I didn't save it. I didn't save the save button. A moment. So I should stop that. I should save here the change, close the editor, go in and play. And then I'm happy with it. I have the avatar selector finished with animations. Yeah, I can go there and cancel or save. I can select my characters who do different tricks. My daughter would love this. Definitely. Definitely she will. She can they do different things. It's will be awesome. Don't know how much of that is visible. Okay, let me do a... Okay, now you should see it in full when I play it. So I have nicely, that works. I can open the animation and then let's... The floating is a little bit funny. I may change that later, but at the moment I find it it's kind of fun. So, and then we change the character. Yeah, cool. Yeah, we don't have a settings yet, so that one I have to do later. But first, there is not much we can set at the moment because we have to have more stuff be ready. I may need a loading animation for that. Then we have this menu. I want to change this slightly, but okay, let me try something. So the next bit is loading the character in here. And I also want to make the background a lot more interesting. And that yellow one is not really fun either. I find with these, I have to make it better. Let's just... 12. No, 18. It's 3 times. I'm too late. Oh, I want to change those animations. But first I want to put in the girl now. Or the boy, the character. Then I have to make sure all the functionalities, so everything works how is it should. And I also want to add the lives. 3 lives. So I have to rework how it is played. So a little bit change the playing and then fix all there is a couple of small things with the when you play. And I think I have to add a couple of multiplication in so make sure I'm not like I think 7 maybe in or maybe not. So I have to make sure it's all of them are in, all the multiplications. I kind of fine with the plate, but it's curved down and I have to adjust that. 42. Ah! I'm too slow when I'm talking. you keep seeing me not able to do the multiplications. I completely want to change this menu to fit more with the color scheme and also with the story. So it will be not you walk in on a path and do multiplications, but there will be something to do with twisters and the Storm Lord, the evil Storm Lord, and the wizard who is helping you. I'm still looking into that how. So this one I have to redo. I don't know yet how, but definitely start to have some ideas. So in the meantime, it stays how it is. I may keep the buttons, just recolor them, but I drop them up most likely. I've worked a lot on it actually, but it is not something what I will want to use. So here you can change the avatar again. On settings, settings will be like volumes and stuff like that, and quit can completely exit the game. So I don't think the 7 times is in, but I have the doubles in. Let's do a double. 0, 0. Yes, there is a problem with this because it starts with 0. So this kind of bugs, what I want to make sure not happen. It's never select 0, for example. What else? Yes, the marathon not is picking up all the numbers. I need to put in extra numbers because I want to put a couple of numbers in which is similar. Like if it's, let's say it would be 12. You're looking for, or 16, like 4 by 4, and then 17 comes up. 17 is not a multiple of anything, but it still would come up because 16, 17. So it's kind of makes it harder. I have the functionality for that. 25. But also the when I do the marathon, then it picks up those numbers, so I have to filter them out. Maybe I put a label on it, or I didn't pay attention when I was talking. So maybe I put a label on it, or a tick box like exclude from when it's selecting lists. It's only included into numbers. Yeah, something like that. So there is a couple of things to fix up there, and then I have to add in all the multiplications. I think I have already imported most of them. I'm just thinking here quite loudly at the moment. It's probably not make that much sense, but if I go and I check floors and levels and stuff like that, I should have floors and levels. So levels, I have all of them in, but the floors, I think, yes, or up to 6.10. And I have the doubles, but I don't have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the rest. I think I already created up to 10 all the images, but I still need to export them and bring it in the game. I will do one day when I just do that and then fix up stuff. But that is just putting all the levels in. I'm not worried about that. First, so tomorrow probably what I will do, I pull in the avatar and I replace it. And the another thing what I really would like to add is introduce all the levels, not the levels, the lives, like 3 lives you have. So I want to introduce that. And then the functionality of the game, the core, is done. Then I just have to add all the levels, and then on top of that, I add the spirit animals in. And the spirit animals would give you buffs, how you free them and whichever you use. Yes, pretty much that's it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe. It really helps the channel, especially subscriptions. When you subscribe, it's shown, the video gets shown for another 100 people, or at least it pops up in their feed. So please do that. It really helps. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.